Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove alternating colors in Google Sheets. So what I mean about alternating colors is the format where you see there are like two different color in each row. So this one's is like a bit like pale color, so this one is like a more visible color, so it goes like this, go on and on until the bottom. And instead of you change the color one by one into white, so I'm going to show you how to you can remove the alternating colors at once. So what you can do is like place the cursor or select the any cells in your table or in your sheets, and then click on the fill color at the top, and then you'll find the alternating colors in this. Just click on the alternating colors, and here at the left right panel, the alternating color settings will be show up. And if you want to remove that, just click on remove alternating colors, click on that, and after that the alternating colors will be removed at once. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye!